Hey y'all, it's Kitty. If you're interested in my eye look today, that was part of my Mom's Makeup Mondays that you just saw, or maybe you'll see after this. I will have that linked up in the cards. So today we are doing my Cruelty Free by Christmas Project Pan update number 1. Now, I'm gonna be significantly changing this Project Pan because, for one, I am decluttering all of the single shadows that are in here. All 3 Jessie's Girl shadows, as well as all 6 L'Oreal Infallible shadows, I am decluttering all of them. So we're just gonna start with that. I'm not gonna show you all of them because I'm tired and I don't want to, if I'm being honest. Maybe I'll post a picture of them all on Instagram if you're interested. If you're interested, comment down below and I'll post a picture of all of these on Instagram so you know what I'm getting rid of. But I'm decluttering all of these because I just don't like using them. The quality is fine, I prefer my pan shadows. So I'm getting rid of all of these. Next, I am going to take the things that claim to be cruelty-free out of this project pan. I'm just going to trust the people that say they're cruelty-free because I can't find information that says otherwise. If at any point I find that they're actually not cruelty-free, I will put them back in this project, but those items are an AOA Studios highlighter, which realistically I'm not going through before Christmas, and 2 City Color blushes, which again, realistically, I am not going through before Christmas. City Color and AOA Studios both claim to be cruelty-free. Logical Harmony has reached out to City Color, and I believe she has not heard back. Her website says nothing about AOA Studios. I have sent an email to her asking her to look into this brand because I would like to know what she says. But for now, we're taking these out of the project pan as well. So what does that leave? Not much. So we have my Rimmel London Exaggerate Full Lip Color Lip Liner. I have this much left. I think I only used it once, so I don't have much use on it. I do have a lot of lip products in my project pans right now, but I'm hoping that I will start to double down, focus on this, and use it up because there's really not much left, and if I use it as an all-over lip color, I'll go through it pretty quickly. Next, I have the Rimmel London Lasting Finish lip liner in 1,000 Kisses. I have not used this at all because I am a terrible project panner. Then we have this Sephora waterproof contour eye pencil in Surfer Babe. I don't think I mentioned this in my last project in my intro video because I forgot all about it. I've used this a handful of times. I have not measured it. I don't know what to measure it against. I could measure it against the same paper that I measure one of my other project pans. So I have this much lip pencil that says cap on because that's how I am choosing to measure my liners. I'm also going to declutter the Femme Couture Primal Wear Long Lasting Lip Cream because I've worn this a couple times and I just don't really like how it looks on me. So I'm going to declutter that, which leaves 3 items left in this pan for a total of 6 items in this project pan. Last 3 items are lipsticks. And I can tell you right now, I have not made a lot of progress, but we are going to roll them up and see if there's any distinguishable progress. I have worn each of them quite a few times, but I don't wear lipstick every day, and I have this lip color in a different project pan, which I'm realizing is a lot of lip products to be panning at one time, which is one of the reasons that I'm decluttering that other lipstick. First, we have Sultry. So first we have Sultry, which I clearly have made a little bit of progress on. We have Stand Out, which I have made no distinguishable progress on. And we have Smitten, which I have made no distinguishable progress on. That's inspiring. So I have a total of one item in this project that I have discernible progress on. I have used this blush a lot, so I do have, I'm just going to show you. I don't know, there, you guys can see it. You can definitely see the texture of the pan in this. It is, again, being taken out of this project pan, but that's probably the item that I've used the most out of this project pan. Project pan, project pan, project pan. How many times can I say project pan? So that is everything in my Cruelty Free by Christmas project pan. Once, just so you guys know, I got this project pan idea from Alaini Boutte. I will have her linked down below. I also did a collab with her, so I'll have that linked down below as well. I'll have her channel linked in the end screen, as well as mine, as well as some relevant videos, I guess. I would love it if you could like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. All of those things would tell the YouTube algorithms that maybe I'm someone that they could share with others, and it would really help me out. Also, if you are a project panner, do you ever have project pans that you don't make much progress on? Do you find it really discouraging? I am hoping that I can keep up some progress, although I am a little disappointed that I don't have any real progress on any of the products. I'm going to keep going and try and use up as much of them as I can before Christmas, because I have a lot of lip products over here that are just waiting to be used when I finish up all of these. I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!